Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about interview experience of one of the candidate who has given interview for the digital role and got selected in the TCS. I'm going to talk about in detail like what is the duration of this interview, what are the question asked in this interview. I'm going to talk about in pretty much detail. So watch this video till the end. So let's get started. The interview for that candidate is lasted around 40 minutes and they directly started with the questions without any intro part. So the first question they ask with that candidate is what is malloc and calloc? Okay. They ask the syntax of that. The second question they ask like define binary tree. So this is basically the part of tree data structures, but definition is kind of easy. The third question they ask to that candidate is write a SQL query to delete row based on some condition. They have given some condition to that candidate, and based on that condition, you have to delete one row. Okay. The fourth question they ask to that candidate is project explanation. Like what happened in this case is if you have given your resume, so resume is with them. This question they ask based on their resume itself only. So basically, they are going to follow your resume from top to bottom, and based on that, they are going to ask the questions. Okay, here the project explanation, like what are the project that candidate made. They just wanted to explain that project. They just wanted to know about that project so that whether that project is relevant, suitable, or good or not, like that. And based on that, they ask some counter questions. Okay, if also they ask whether that candidate made any minor project or not, counter question on that. So these are the questions they are basically going to ask. Also, one question they ask in the technical is what is Git and GitHub? Explain that and some commands of that. Like there are various commands of Git and GitHub. You have to just remember the basic commands of GitHub. So these are the questions they ask basically in the technical. They directly started the HR round with the introduction. In the technical round, they didn't ask any like introduction and all. They directly started with the questions. But in the HR, they started with the introduction. In other companies, like technical and HR round are kind of separate, but in TCS, like all technical person, HR person are sitting in the same panel, like one after one, you have to give answers like that. So they started with the introduction. Second question they ask, why should we hire you? You have to be ready for that. With this question, you can show your skill sets, show your interest, and show how you can align yourself to the TCS like that. Okay. Next question they ask, what if you are not selected today? They're basically going to check your confidence and your further planning after your rejection, how you recover from the rejection like that. So basically they want to check you from this point of view. Okay. Next question they ask like about conflict. If there is conflict between your team, how you will resolve like that. So for these general question, you have to be ready. You have to research how you can give the answer of these questions. Okay. And the last question is, of course, are you ready to reallocate? Okay, anywhere in the India, because they are going to send you anywhere in the India, and you have to go there based on their business requirement. So this is the most important and relevant question. Of course, you have to give answer as yes. So yeah, that's all for this video, guys. If this video is really important for you, please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you're new to the channel. So yeah, I'm wrapping this video over here, signing off.